Hi everyone. In the previous class we have discussed about different classical dance forms recognized by Sangeet Natak Academy. Please, if you are watching this video first time, please go through the previous video. Next, today we are going to discuss about folk dances of India. These folk dances also plays a crucial role in Indian classical dance forms. This is if we divide the dance forms into two parts. The first part is the classical dance and next one is the folk dances. Yeah, the actual reference is Indian Art and Culture, written by Nitin Singhania. As we go into the these folk dances are generally spontaneous. These are not practiced or prepared dance forms. These come spontaneously. These folk dances are played spontaneously. They are performed in masses without any training. These folk dances are performed in masses without any training. Without any without any training or little bit training, not vigorous like classical dances. The first one is chow. Yesterday in the last class, I have told you about chow dance. This is recognized by cultural ministry but not recognized by Sangeet Natak Academy. It is originated from the word chaya. Chaya means shadow in Hindi or Sanskrit. Chaya means shadow. This is originated from this word chaya. It is a form of mask dance. Mask dance means the dancers wear masks, different types of colored masks they will wear, and they will perform these dance forms. Vigorous martial movements will be there in this dance form. It is one of the martial dance, and it narrates mythological stories. There are three types of chow. Saraikella chow in Jharkhand, Mayurbhanj chow in Odisha, Purulia chow in West Bengal. In 2010, this is the important point. In 2010, UNESCO recognized chow in representative list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity. This you should remember this point. This is the important thing. Intangible cultural heritage of humanity. UNESCO recognized chow as intangible cultural heritage of humanity in 2010. Next folk dance is Garba. Sorry, this is not Garba. This is Garba. This is the popular folk dance of Gujarat. Garba is mainly popular in Gujarat. This is the photo performing Garba dance. Please go through it. Lamp is lit in Garbadweep. Garbadweep means it is a pot like thing with holes. Lamp is lit in Garbadweep. A lamp is kept in Garbadweep and it is lit. And women dance around it in circular movements. They will form a circle around this Garbadweep, and they will do dance with rhythmic clapping. This is the important thing. Tarangamel. Tarangamel. Next dance is the Tarangamel. It is the folk dance of Goa. It is performed during Dasra and Holi. Tarangamel is the folk dance of Goa. It is performed mainly during Dasra and Holi. These are festive time folk dances. Tarangamel. Next, rainbow like costumes and colored flags are used in this dance. Colorful flags and rainbow like costumes. These costumes and flags are used to attract the audience or to look very colorful. Next dance forms are Gumar and Kalbelia. These are different folk dances. Gumar. First Gumar, we go through Gumar. Gumar is the traditional folk dance performed by women of Bhil tribe. Bhil is a type of tribe present in Rajasthan, and Gumar is the traditional folk dance performed by women of Bhil tribe. Remember this, especially performed by women, Gumar tribe. Gumar dance form performed by women, Bhil tribe, Rajasthan. Kalbelia is folk dance performed by Kalbelia community. It is a type of community of Rajasthan. It is also present in Rajasthan. Kalbelia dance and also Kalbelia community, Rajasthan. Next, UNESCO inscribed Kalbelia in Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity in 2010. This dance form also recognized by UNESCO as Intangible Cultural Heritage of Humanity in 2010. What is this dance form? Gumar. Gumar and Chow. Those two are recognized by UNESCO. Next, Bhangra and Javra. Bhangra and Javra. Bhangra is the highly energetic folk dance of Punjab. Bhangra is present in Punjab. Bhangra is performed by the people of Punjab. Next, Javra is the harvest dance. Harvest dance. It is performed during the harvesting season, mainly performed in Bundelkhand region of Madhya Pradesh, MP, Madhya Pradesh. Remember this point. Javra folk dance is in Madhya Pradesh, presented by Bundelkhand region of Madhya Pradesh. Next, balancing basket full of jawar on the head. The theme of this dance, jawar dance, means it is harvest dance, right? So it balances, people will, dancers will balance basket full of jawar on their head and perform this dance. Next, Gaur Maria and Alkap. These are two different dance forms, Gaur Maria and Alkap. Gaur Maria is the ritualistic dance performed by Maria tribes. See who performs this Gaur Maria dance? Maria tribe. In the title itself we will get to know that Gaur Maria means Maria tribe, right? In Chhattisgarh, Gaur Maria is the ritualistic dance performed by Maria tribe in Chhattisgarh region. It is performed in groups both by men and women. Remember this, performed by both men and women. Next, Alkap folk dance. Alkap is the rural dance performed by tribes of Jharkhand. Alkap means Jharkhand people perform this mainly. It is performed by troops. Troops. One troop contains, each troop contains 10 to 12 dancers, right? Performed in troops. Contains 10 to 12 dancers. This dance is associated with Gajan festival of Shiva. Whose festival? Shiva's festival. What is the festival? Gajan festival. During this festive time, people of Jharkhand perform this Alkap. Understood? Next dance. Other folk dances of India. Some of the other folk dances. We go through the some of the other folk dances in India. Next, Biraha. Biraha is the rural dance of Bihar. Biraha means Bihar. Biraha is the dance of Bihar. This dance is performed by males and also play role of females. In this dance form, we will come to know that male people performs the role of females by getting ready like females and dancing. Next dance form is Paika. Paika is the martial folk dance performed in southern region of Odisha. Paika is the martial folk dance. What it is normal, not like normal folk dance. It is a martial folk dance performed in southern parts of Odisha. This dance is performed with wooden spears and shields. See, we told right, it is martial folk dance means it is performed with wooden spears and shields. Wooden spears and shields are made with wood, and with those weapons they will perform this Paika dance. Paika means battle. What is the meaning of Paika? Battle. Okay. Next, Jet Jetin. Jet Jetin is rural dance of North Bihar. North Bihar or Bihar. Jet Jetin. Okay, Jet Jetin is the rural dance form of North Bihar. This represents the tender love between newly married couple. The main theme of this Jet Jetin is to represent the tender love between newly married couple. Right. Next one is Bihu. It is also one important folk dance. Bihu is popular folk dance of Assam. Assamese people perform this Bihu dance. It is performed in group both by men and women. It is performed in group both by men and women. Okay. Tangta. Tangta is the exclusive dance form of Manipur. Means Tangta is Manipur. Manipuri people perform this Tangta folk dance. Tang means, what is the tang? Sword. Means ta means spear. By looking into the meanings of this Tangta, we can say it is also one of the martial folk dance of Manipur, right? Because the sword and spear are present in this dance form, we can say like that. Singi Cham. Singi Cham is a popular dance form of Sikkim. Sikkim contains Singi Cham folk dance. Next, Kummi. Kummi is the popular folk dance of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. People of Tamil Nadu and Kerala perform this folk dance Kummi. Next, it is performed by women. standing in a circular formation. It is also formed in circular form, making a circle by women of that tribes or something. It is performed during Pongal. During the Pongal time, people of Tamil Nadu and Kerala perform this Kummi folk dance, standing in circular position. Remember this. Next, Burrakatha. Burrakatha is a form of dance narration from AP, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. Andhra's folk dance is Burrakatha. Right. Burrakatha is performed by single person. Single performer narrates stories of Puranas. In this Burrakatha, single performers dances and narrates the stories of Puranas, at the same time narrates also, dancing and narrating, entertaining the people. Next, Buttapamulu is also one of the popular folk dance of Andhra Pradesh. Remember this. Kaikottikali. Next, Kaikottikali is popular temple dance of Kerala, performed by both men and women at the time of Onam. At the time of Onam, yeah, see here, Kummi is the popular folk dance of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Means at the time of Pongal, Kummi is performed, and at the time of Onam, Kaikottikali is popular dance form of Kerala. Next dance form, Padayani. Padayani is the martial dance of Kerala. It is also in Kerala, but it is a martial dance form of Kerala. Dancers wear huge masks. These masks are wear to attract people or audience. To attract audience, these masks are wearing. Next, Kolkali. Kolkali Parichakali. Next one is Kolkali Parichakali is the popular martial dance of southern Kerala and Lakshadweep. This is also southern part of the Kerala present in. This means we can say that Kerala contains many folk dance. By seeing into this, we can say like next Kolkali Parichakali is the famous dance of not only southern Kerala but also Lakshadweep. Dancers use mock weapons made of wood and enact fight sequences. It is a martial dance form, so metals weapons made of wood are used in this dance form. Next, Patakunita. Patakunita is the dance form in Mysore. Patakunita means Mysore. Religious dance. It is the religious dance performed by men. Mainly use bamboo poles for performing this dance. Means people use long bamboo poles. Men use long bamboo poles to perform this Patakunita folk dance. It is one of the popular dance form in Mysore. Jhumar is performed by tribal Sikhs in Punjab. Jhumar means Jhumar folk dance is in Punjab, performed by the tribal people of Punjab, performed during the harvest season. In circular form, people will form into a circle and perform this Jhumar dance. Next, Raut Nach. Raut Nach is performed by Yadav community during the festival of Diwali. Raut Nach is one of the famous dance performed by Yadav community during the festival of Diwali. Next, Dumhal is performed in Jammu and Kashmir. Dumhal is performed in Jammu and Kashmir, northern part of India. Jammu and Kashmir, Dumhal by Vattal tribe. What is the tribe name? Vattal tribe. Performed by Vattal tribe, Dumhal folk dance. Next, Fagdi. Fagdi is performed by women during festivals in Konkan region of Goa. Right? Fagdi is the dance form of Goa, performed during the festivals. Okay. Next, Chara. Chara is the folk dance of Mizoram. Men tap long pairs of bamboo sticks and women dance according to them. Means Chara is the folk dance of Mizoram. In Mizoram, mm, the tribal people takes long bamboo poles and tap that bamboo poles to the ground, and it will produce some music. Women will dance according to that music. Okay, understood. Dalkai is mostly performed in Odisha during the festival of Dasara. Dalkai means Odisha people perform this Dalkai folk dance during the season of Dasara. Okay, these are the folk dances of India. Please go through this PDF or video once again. Thank you very much.